Okay, I want to show you on your phone how to use WordSwag. So as you can see, it's the little blue app. Maybe I should show you that again. It's right here. So if you can see that, the blue WordSwag, so I think it's $3.99 or $4.99. So let's take you to that. So what this is you can take a picture. So I can take a picture of us doing this right now, or I can do a selfie or whatever, and use that to do the, to put my words on top of, or I can select this right here, and it will allow you to choose from your camera roll, or what's really cool is you can choose one of these. So you just type in, let's say, flowers, and up will come their preloaded flowers. And something I do like to tell people is if you are, wanting to brand yourself and get a little vibe going to what you like, then I would suggest using, kind of the same photo or a theme and maybe the same print type that you'll see here in a little bit. Let's try this again. So you still can switch back to your camera roll if you want. This just did this before and now it's not. Let me just try it again. Okay, here we go. So you can choose any of those flowers that you want. And I'm just going to show you how I do mine. And then you can choose what you want. Sorry, it's very slow. Very, very slow. So WordSwag, $3.99 or $4.99, I don't remember. So I have taken pictures of my own flowers and uploaded them and just used my camera roll to do some words on, so you definitely can do that too. So here, look at all these awesome professional photos that I can use. And you can type in like computer desk or kids, chocolate, I mean, so many things. So I'm just gonna show you that I've been kind of liking using this photo. So square, if you're doing a lot of Instagram, I would do square because it can post to Facebook as well. Then you can use it on Instagram or Facebook. I normally do Facebook post, but check this out, you guys. Facebook cover, you can go to a Pinterest thing if you do, but Facebook cover you can create. And what's awesome is, how they are, they're smaller, as you can see, thinner. So let's just do a Facebook post, and then so then you go back up to, you can go up to skip. Okay, and then here's the words. So you double tap on the words. And I would say wildflowers rock. Okay, I just type in what I want, or check this out here on the left. Classics, I can hit classics, and I'm now touching this, friends or family. It automatically brings up quotes, and I just am hitting this. So now I want to hit the so true. I don't know if I like that one, so then I'm going to select, and I keep hitting these little two arrows. Yeah, just lots of fun, great things. So if you're struggling and you don't know what to come up with, definitely use one of these. So, but I'm going to do custom Wildflowers Rock. Oh, I was going to show you, if you do some of these, like, stay hungry, right here, you can see that it says who that quote was by. You can, if you want, delete that. That's all up to you. So Wildflowers Rock, I'm going to hit save and close. Now you see it's just this. I'm going to hit style, and this, you just scroll along here and this moves. So you can choose any of these fun texts that they have. As you see, I'm kind of scrolling over. You just pull this menu on the bottom. So let's pick one of these. They're really awesome. There's some that you can pay for, but you don't need to. I think there's just plenty. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. Now let's just say I want the wording different. So hit color, and I chose black. You can choose some cool foiled looks, some that are yellow on the bottom, green on the top. Lots of great different colors that you can choose. And I just kind of have been liking white, so I've been choosing white. And then image, selecting that. And you can blur them out. Sometimes that's nice, so that if you have maybe a picture of yourself in the back and you want to be, in the photo but blurred out, that'd be great. I usually take my brightness over here and go down a little bit so that the words pop out a little bit more, and yet you can still see the photo. So that's what I do. But look you can change before I do that. Automatically, you can change by using these down here. Their own filter. Turn it into black and white, red. There's just lots of filters. So I normally do normal, but sometimes vibrant is neat too. So it stands out a little bit more. So I make it a little bit less. Okay, I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to hit save. And I'll go close. But what I want to do here is add logo and watermark. And I think I talked about that before on Shopify.com, that you can make your own watermark. But here's one you could take. When you first initially set it up, you need to go to your images, because that's where you're going to save your logo as a photo. So you would go to image. So I'm just going to show you when I first did this. I made my logo file. So then I chose it. Okay, so initially, this is what you will do. Now you can make it bigger with your fingers. You just pinch it, or smaller. And then down here, you can change the transparency. So you can make it so it's really light, faint, or even brighter. Okay, so then you hit save, and it goes to your camera roll. Now it will save the one without your watermark on it, and then, so you'll have two there. Now let's just say you really like to use that. You really like that photo that you use, and you really want that to be your branding. So then up here, you hit the left arrow, and you want to keep that. You want to keep that photo. You just keep hitting the back arrow. Actually, you don't have to keep the back arrow. Sorry. You can just hit the words, and let's say you want to pick something like that. Save and close. Again, you can hit style down here. I'm just picking different ones. When I pick a different one, I should show you this. I do it so much, I should. So I pick shout out, but look down here. I can choose 2, 3, and you can make this bigger or smaller as well, just by pinching it with your fingers. 4. So see how it changes it automatically for me? Because sometimes, so now I'm on trend, but I'm going to choose this. Just something that you want to make sure you like and that it fits on your screen. So it automatically does it. I think that's so cool. Okay, so let's say I want to save that. I do the image again. I'm going to show you that you don't have to do that image all the time. So I want to go back to WORDSWAG. I pull it up and it comes to this picture. Boom, I can just double tap on the words and it comes up and I hit the X and write something new. So that's how I use WORDSWAG. They will be in your photos and then you can use them for other things, which is really nice. I do want to show you WORDSWAG and then using, so I think I have to X out of here because it's all messed up. WORDSWAG. Again, I think what's really awesome is this cover photo. Let's go to my camera roll and let me see if I can find, I did find a cool picture. Let's just say, okay, I found this really cool picture. But I want it on my Facebook cover. So look at how much of that goes off, right? So just, you want to edit that, move it. And once you skip and go to the next one, the only thing that's going to be showing is the what you have down here. So when you do put it on Facebook, let's say I want to change my cover photo. I go to Facebook on my phone, go to my page. I can just hit edit, upload photo. I'm not going to do it, but oh, I think it's going to do it. But that's how you would upload a new photo if you did that. And hopefully it didn't save that. Oh yeah, it did. I will change that. So anyway, that's how you update your cover photo. Okay, I'm going to go take that off and I hope this helped. Any questions, please post them in the comments. All right, have a good one.